Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, Pick My Trends. Today, we're diving into the features and specifications of some popular microwave models from well-known brands. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just need a quick way to heat up your leftovers, we've got you covered. First up, we have the Toshiba E M 131 5 coulombs BS countertop microwave. With a sleek black stainless steel finish, a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity, and a removable turntable, this microwave is both stylish and practical. It boasts a pre-programmed sensor menu, 1100 watts of power with 10 settings, and a mute function for those quiet moments. The large digital display and practical control panel make it easy to use. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. Now, let's take a look at the BLACK+DECKER E M 720 coulombs B7 digital microwave oven. Compact and stainless steel, this microwave is perfect for residential use with its 0.7 cubic feet capacity. Equipped with pre-programmed buttons for popcorn, potato, pizza, and more, this 700-watt microwave offers 10 power settings and a 30-second express cooking option. The push-button door release adds convenience to your cooking routine, and it comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Next on our list is the COMFEE E M 720 coulombs PLPMB countertop microwave oven. This sleek black microwave not only looks good but also comes with features like a mute function, eco mode, and easy one-touch buttons. With 0.7 cubic feet capacity, 700 watts, and 11 power levels, it's a versatile choice for various cooking needs. The energy-saving eco mode minimizes standby power, and the bright digital display adds a modern touch. Now, let's explore the Farberware countertop microwave. This stainless steel beauty packs a punch with 1000 watts of power and a 1.1 cubic feet capacity. With 10 power levels and 6 one-touch options, including popcorn and pizza, it's perfect for apartments and dorms. The LED display, child lock, and easy-to-clean interior make it a convenient choice for everyday use. Moving on to Panasonic Microwave Oven NNSN 686 Siemens with inverter technology. This sleek stainless steel model offers 1200 watts of power and a spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity. Featuring inverter technology with turbo defrost, this microwave ensures even cooking and faster defrosting. The Genius sensor adjusts power and times based on different foods, and the Keep Warm feature is a nice touch for busy households. Now, let's take a step back in time with the Nostalgia Retro Countertop Microwave Oven. This 800-watt, 0.9 cubic feet microwave adds a touch of nostalgia to your kitchen. With 12 pre-programmed cooking settings, a digital clock, and a rotating glass carousel, it combines retro style with modern convenience. It's perfect for those who appreciate a unique kitchen aesthetic. Shifting gears, let's explore the BLACK+DECKER Natural Convection 4-Slice Toaster Oven. While not a microwave, this versatile appliance deserves a mention with its even toast technology and multiple cooking functions. Perfect for cooking pizzas or toasting snacks, this 1150-watt toaster oven with natural convection ensures consistent results. The removable crumb tray makes cleaning a breeze. Last but not least, we have the G3-in-1 microwave oven. This stainless steel beauty goes beyond microwaving, offering air fry, broil, and convection modes. With 1050 watts and a 1.0 cubic feet capacity, it's a powerhouse in the kitchen. The included crisper pan and preset controls like freeze and nuggets make cooking a variety of dishes a breeze. There you have it, folks. A quick overview of some top-notch microwave ovens. Whether you're looking for sleek design, powerful performance, or a touch of nostalgia, these models cater to various preferences. Make sure to check the product descriptions for more details, and happy cooking!